Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to start using LaTeX. LaTeX is a de facto standard for writing theses, articles, books, posters and presentations for technical and scientific communication. It's not difficult to use. It appears difficult because we are not taught how to use it. We will start using LaTeX today in this less than 10 minutes. To download MikTeX, go to Google and type there MikTeX download and click here and click on this download. Download will get started. Then for the Text Studio also open a new tab and there type Text Studio download and this Text Studio download and click here to download Text Studio. That will get downloaded here, and when you click here show in folder, you will be shown the folder in which the file is getting downloaded, and that folder is usually your download folder. And when download is complete, you will get the installer like this. You double click this installer, installation will start. Follow all the commands, installation will be complete. Install MikTeX first and then install Text Studio. MikTeX installation will take time as that installation is very large. Type Text Studio in search box at the bottom left on window and click enter. Text Studio will open. Locate the wizard from the menu and click Quick Start. It's an article we want to type. Other options are also there in the document class. Ignore others and type in document title and author name. Click OK. You have got a template to start your article writing now. Save the document in its own folder. Locate your figures and transfer those to the same folder. We are ready to start. Know the template. At the top till begin document, it is preamble. Formatting specifications for whole of the document will be there in the preamble coded as LaTeX commands. All your text will be between begin document and end document. This is called as document environment. Each environment starts with begin and end. Note here that each command starts with a backslash followed by command name and then pair of curly bracket. You write specification for that command between that pair of curly bracket. Here it is the document now. Type /make title. Don't forget the backslash. Then on second line, type in \section in curly bracket introduction. This is the heading of our section. Then click enter, go to new line, type \section in curly bracket materials and methods. This is our second section. Again go to new line, \section results and discussion in curly bracket. Don't forget the curly bracket. If you forget curly bracket, error will be there. Each open curly bracket shall be closed. Then go to section, \section in curly bracket references, curly bracket complete. We are ready with the skeleton of our document, and this skeleton is the rough skeleton for a research article. This is a code. Now it needs compilation to get the PDF output, and for that you click here on this green button, and this is called as build and view button. I have clicked that. Another button also you can click, and when you click that you get the compilation, and by mistake I have made here that document class as book, and therefore the title page is separate one and our sections are at the bottom. Now I will change that to article, and now I will change that to article and we'll compile it again to see what changes take place in the output. And here you will see the prompt that compilation is going on. The process exited normally, and this is the full skeleton of our document. And now we are ready to fill in our text here in introduction, materials, methods, result, discussion, references, and we have included the figures also in that poster. We can bring those figures also in the document. All the components of document can be filled in, can be coded in this window, and when we click this compile button, we'll get the PDF output. How to go in for other components of the document to get the full document, please watch my videos on YouTube. This playlist link is given in the description. And if you want to learn more, then you can join my workshops. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and share this with your friends. Thank you.